You may be wondering what to expect during your appointment with one of our ISA certified arborists. During your consultation, our arborist will take the time to listen and understand the needs or concerns that you may have about your trees. They will then inspect your trees from root to shoot, providing you recommendations along the way to address your immediate concerns and also provide long-term solutions for your tree's health. When reviewing your trees, an arborist will be on the lookout for insect and disease issues, as well as any recommendations for pruning for structure and safety. Problems such as apple scab, chlorosis, and Japanese beetles can become more evident in the summer as the foliage is affected by these issues. Other issues such as drought, soil issues, and root concerns may also be uncovered. A lot of these concerns, if caught early, can be part of a routine maintenance plan to care for your trees. After your arborist has inspected the trees on your property, they will send you a written proposal with a personalized recommendation for the best possible solutions for your trees. Our goal is to ensure you have a clear understanding of the options available, including any costs and the time frame involved. Our convenient online portal allows you to review the proposal and choose which services to move forward. Once you accept your proposal, your services will be scheduled based on optimal timing for treatment. We are excited to work with you and bring our expertise to your trees. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're committed to delivering the highest quality service to keep your trees looking their very best. With our dedicated care, you can enjoy the benefits of healthy and beautiful trees for years to come.